BMW has used an excellent example of being able to use its headlamps to differentiate its vehicle from other automakers, but then also able to differentiate one model from another. The bright trim within the headlamp itself and the open sea is two of the facets that they're using to be able to differentiate from other automakers' vehicles. The other thing that you can see here in the X2, which is their new model being released this year, is there's a brush trim difference, and there's also the light blades that are being deployed here. There's also a three-dimensional aspect with some of the light piping that comes out. This is very unique to the X2, and we'll see some differences in some of the other models. As we look at the BMW X3, you can see that the headlamps are similar to the other models, but they're slightly different as well. Here on the X3, there's really a crosshatch pattern, not some of the other textured patterns that we've seen on some of the other models. What's unique here with the X5M is how the different textures in bright is deployed. On the very top, you've got very bright deployment, and then you've got a bright stippled effect. On the lower is where you end up having the more of a crosshair approach. And in this case, the open light blades forming the C are actually totally transparent and solid. Here, looking at the Model 6 from BMW, you can see the same trends that we've seen on the other vehicles with the headlamps. You still have some of the bright trim and some of the texture effects, but what you end up seeing here is the open C actually elongates a little bit, and some of the other design cues about some of the crosshatch is carried over as well. So here with the BMW 7 Series, what you can see is BMW's trend again with the different types of styling they're using for the headlamps. In this case though, the bright trim is augmented by a more transparent upper plateau of the overall design. The light blades are still there, being able to show the safety features that is needed for headlamps, but really in a three-dimensional aesthetic appeal as well.